to date, nothing has been received by the Guam Election Commission outlining the exact crime charged, the scope or nature of any alleged conviction against Senator Rector, if any.
In his report to the Guam Election Commission, GEC legal counsel Rector Cabot answered several of the commission's questions surrounding Senator Matt Rector's eligibility to hold office. One of the questions asked was whether or not Rector should have been placed on the general election ballot in the first place. Cabot's answer, if the criminal conviction was a felony or a crime involving moral turpitude or sexual offense, then Rector would not have been qualified as a senatorial candidate nor placed on the ballot. The problem with this, according to Cabot, is that the GEC has not received any documentation whatsoever outlining the exact crime charged and the scope or nature of the alleged conviction. This despite requests to both the police department and the Attorney General's office. In fact, GPD has confirmed that even they have yet to receive Rector's record from California. The second question involved was whether or not the GEC has the authority to annul the certification if Rector indeed has a felony or misdemeanor of sexual nature or moral turpitude.
The answer is no. The Guam Election Commission has no authority to remove or ouster a sitting senator of the Guam legislature.
It also doesn't have the authority to annul any certification. So who does? Well, according to Cabot, the Guam legislature is empowered to remove one of its own. Also, the court system may be able to address this issue as well. The third question Cabot tackled is how a vacancy would be filled if Rector is removed by the legislature, the courts, or any other means. His answer is through a special election. Cabot went on to state that it's important to note that the GEC followed the letter of the law and secured a clean GPD clearance and 2 signed affidavits from Rector. He goes on to state that there exists no procedures in the election code that allow for the decertification or annulment of certification after the GEC has given a candidate a certificate of election. Cabot's legal opinion, in essence, puts the ball back in the legislature's court. It's interesting to note, however, that neither the GEC nor the Guam Police Department even have a copy of Rector's criminal record from Clinton Rogel, PNC News.